Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back with another work from home job lead. Now, this one is phone based and for my United States folks only. But before we dive in, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet and bringing you the best work from home jobs available on a daily basis. And all jobs I discuss are linked in the description box below. But with that being said, the company Lifeline is hiring a hotline operator. Now, they are paying $26.44 an hour, and it says they offer generous vacation and sick time, and they pay 99% of your health insurance premiums, and they also offer 401k matching. But Lifeline is a service that connects trans people to the community resources and support they need to survive and thrive, building a resilient trans community through trans-led direct services. So you need to make sure you are personally okay with that, but all of those who are, they are looking for someone to answer calls on the peer support hotline, ensuring quality peer support and maintaining a high answer rate. You'll maintain mutual information, consent, anonymity, and confidentiality with callers. You'll keep accurate, timely, and informative call logs and appropriate call tags, and you'll communicate remotely with team members through Slack, email, and video communication. Now, this is going to require you to assist callers in identifying and accessing material resources and community resources that are available to them. So you'll have to be able to adhere to their peer support model as provided in their training. So they will give you training, and they are looking for someone who can be punctual and reliable for shifts, meetings, and timekeepings. Now, because this is a role helping trans people, they are looking for trans and non-binary people are strongly encouraged to apply. But if that does not apply for you, that does not mean you cannot apply for this job. They are looking for someone to work late nights and weekends, depending on the time zone, located in the United States and at least 18 years or older, and be available to work remotely. So you're going to have access to a private place in your home, and you're going to have your own computer and technology. It does say this role does not require any formal education or certification, so they do not require any kind of college degrees or anything at all. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.